Hi there, this is my second how to crochet tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot and also how to do the single crochet stitch. Okay, so you're going to need an H hook, and you're also going to need some number 4 worsted weight yarn. In this video I'm going to be starting out with the slip knot, which I just wrap it twice round like this. I pull the yarn over once, I pull it over a second time, and I put my hook in, and we have a slip knot. It's very simple to do a slip knot that way. And now, as in the previous video, for chaining, we were just going to chain, I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then if you want to do one more, that's the turning chain, okay? So that when we go into the second second chain from the hook for our single crochet, we will end up with 12, okay? So this is not counted. We're just going to count this chain, and then this is number 2. So we're going to single crochet into the second chain. Now to make a single crochet, you put your hook through the chain. You wrap your yarn over the hook and you twist it sideways to catch the wool and pull it through once. And then you put the yarn over the hook again and hold it here so you can create some tension and a little gap between the hook and the yarn, and you pull it through 2 loops. So that is a single crochet. So we're going to go into the next one. We don't put our yarn over. This is a single crochet, so we're just going to put it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and now we have 2 loops on the hook, and we're going to pull it through the 2. Okay, we go into the next stitch, the chain rather, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through the 2. Now here's our next one. Put your hook in there and your yarn over, twist it to the side so you're pulling it through, then the yarn over, move your thumb and your finger to hold it like this and pull it through. Now we're going to go into the next one. Put your hook in, yarn over, twist it and pull it through that hole, yarn over, grab it with your thumb and your finger at the back to create that little gap, yarn over, twist your hook so you're caught your yarn in the hook and pull it through the 2. Next one, hook in, yarn over, twist the hook and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the 2. And that is how we do the single crochet. So we will go all the way down to the end. And I'll show you what to do, because right now we're just single crocheting into a chain, right? The next row we are going to be single crocheting into single crochet stitches. So we've got to the very last one, we're pulling it through, we've reached the end, and we are going to chain 1, which is called our turning chain. Okay, then we turn, and we are going to single crochet right into this first stitch, and that means this hole here. And when you put your hook in there, you will see at the top there's actually 2 pieces of yarn there. 2. That's when you know you've gone through them both, because sometimes there's instructions to just go through the back loop, which would mean you would just go into the back, and sometimes through the front. So that's down the road, but right now we are just going into each stitch. Okay, so we put our hook into the stitch, and you'll see there's 2 loops on the top. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2. Then into the next stitch. Yarn over, twist the hook, pull it through, yarn over, pinch it to create some tension, yarn over, pull it through the 2. That is the single crochet. Okay, so go away and practice that, and you can play this back to yourself. Pause it, go back, watch it again. And the next thing you'll need to be doing then is making a project. I've got a dishcloth project which is all single crochet, so check that video out. Okay, I'll put it down in my description box. And thank you for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Share it if you like with your friends on Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram, and also follow me there if you like. Okay, I've got all my links down below. And please do subscribe, as I said, and like this, hit that like button, and even hit the little bell if you want notifications of when my new videos are posted. Thank you, bye-bye, and happy crochet.